Thank you for watching this video. The materials you will need are the worksheet, a pencil and eraser, a black marker, and crayons. This activity starts out with 4 dots, and we connect the dots making a big square. Then we round off the corners and erase the pointy parts. Then we put a medium-sized square right in the middle, put one to the right, one to the left, 3 above those, and 3 below. Now, the first time I taught this, I attempted to put syrup on the waffle and lost some of the students along the way. So in later classes, I opted to teach this without doing syrup. Nonetheless, when you get done with your pencil drawing, you'll take a black marker, trace over your pencil lines, and for this one, we chose red for the background. If you're short on time and trying to complete the activity, you can use a crayon without a wrapper and color the background with the side of the crayon. This sometimes I do with my students when we're pressed for time. If you've got plenty of time, they can just color it the good old normal way, I guess, and fill in all the white space that you can. I try to get them to fill it all in and to not scribble color, which is just kind of hasty coloring with a lot of white space. From here, we fill in our smaller squares with brown, go back over the top with yellow, which gives us a nice golden brown. And if you're doing the syrup, you'll come back with a brown crayon and color right over the top of your waffle. This gives it a nice translucency and a nice realism. If you like this activity, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you know of anybody that could use this activity for their homeschool group or art class, be sure to share it. As always, have a great day.